Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today we are comparing two fantastic products, the budget-friendly Countertop Ice Maker and the premium Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker. We'll dive into their features, production capabilities, and overall value to help you make an informed choice. Whether you're hosting a party or just need ice for your drinks, we've got you covered. Let's start with the price. The Countertop Ice Maker is priced at just $99, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget. In contrast, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker comes in at $469, which is a significant investment. While the Aeitto offers premium features, the price difference is something to consider for casual users. Next, let's look at ice production. The Countertop Ice Maker can produce 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, which is sufficient for small gatherings. However, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker excels with a capacity of 40 pounds per day, making it ideal for larger parties or frequent use. If you need a high volume of ice, the Aeitto is the clear winner. Finally, let's discuss the type of ice produced. The Countertop Ice Maker creates traditional bullet ice, which is great for cooling drinks but melts faster. On the other hand, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is not only fun to eat, but also holds its shape longer in beverages. If you prefer nugget ice, the Aeitto is the way to go. In conclusion, both the Countertop Ice Maker and the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker have their strengths. The Countertop Ice Maker is perfect for budget-conscious users who need a reliable ice maker for occasional use. Meanwhile, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker is ideal for those who prioritize high capacity and the unique texture of nugget ice. Whichever you choose, both machines will serve you well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.